Years of crises turned borders into limits of progress, and differences between systems became invisible barriers. Connections broke down, and the pace of development became uneven. From this context, a radical idea emerges: the Pheonix Plan. A concept that redefines the structure of the continent through the formation of the Union of Independent National States. A framework that excludes Moldova, the Baltic states, and the Caucasus, but brings together the rest of the post-Soviet space into a new system, oriented toward the future, not the past. It is not a return to old models, but a completely different reconstruction. The operational center is in Moscow, not as a symbol of domination, but as a coordination node within a complex network. Power is no longer concentrated, but distributed and synchronized in real time across all components of the system. This union does not exist separately, but fully integrated into the Western architecture, the European Union and NATO. Not as a traditional expansion, but as a total interconnection of infrastructure, industry, economy, defense, and key strategic sectors. Borders no longer divide, but connect. Infrastructure becomes a continental nervous system, carrying energy, data, and mobility without interruption. Industry operates as an autonomous mechanism, constantly optimized. The economy is managed through intelligent processes capable of adapting in real time. The military evolves into a coordinated, flexible, and rapid response network. But the true center of transformation is not in Moscow. The engine of the Pheonix Plan lies at the frontier, at the Dniester. In Romania, where east meets west, a convergence point for all strategic flows emerges. This is where synchronization begins. This is where systems become compatible. This is where differences are transformed into advantage. The strategy of this plan is not expressed in traditional political terms. It is conceived like code, precise, efficient, modular, and scalable. A language that does not describe the future, but builds it in real time, adapting each component to the whole. The Pheonix Plan does not unite territories alone. It unites functions, processes, and capabilities, creating an architecture in which every element has a clear and interconnected role. It does not rebuild the past. It redesigns reality. It is a system that learns, adapts, and evolves continuously, transforming instability into balance and fragmentation into unity. In this new configuration, there is no longer any periphery, only nodes within a shared network. The European Pheonix Plan represents the complete reinitialization of the continent.